Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show how to rig character hand with Duik Angela. Let's get started. So friends, after finish video, I will share project files for download. So first one, let's select this layer 1 and go to solo, select one behind, move the anchor point here, click selection tool and select the layer 2, let's go to solo and move the anchor point down here and select the layer 3, go to solo and move the anchor point here. Click selection tool and let's unsolo all layers. Okay, and in this time go to window, open Duik Angela. Okay, let's go to click this icon, bones, and let's go to first pen tool. Let's create bones. First, this is my first bone, and next bone, and final bone. Okay, so right now don't click selection tool and go to humanoid. Let's right mouse, click here arm, waiting for bones. Okay, that's good, and I have right now 3 bones. First, let's select this and let's change name 3. This is my layer 3 and this is bone 3. Then select this farm, change name 2, and hand, change name 1. So in this time let's make links. Select this layer 1, link to bone 1, select layer 2, link to bone 2, select layer 3, link to bone 3. Nice. And select this finger, let's link to arm tip. Select this arm tip, change name finger. Okay, nice. Then select these bones, go to auto rig, let's click here, click ignore and waiting for auto rigging. Okay, nice. We have new controller here. Let's select this and let's see. Nice, very good. And select finger. Let's see. Okay, let's go to finger solo and move the anchor point down. Click selection tool and unsolo. Let's select this controller, let's see. Okay, very good. And change finger. Okay, not bad. So let's select this controller and go to settings here, FX control, open icon, and let's move to left this controller. Nice. And also we can change size here. So right now we can make animation keyframes for this rig system. Select this controller, let's say again. Okay, very nice rigging. Let's first press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to some keyframes. Let's move it down, and go to here, move it up, and go to here, move it down. Also we can change rotation keyframes, go to here, and select controller, hold shift, press R, open rotation, make rotate keyframe, and go to here, let's change rotation like this, and go to here, change rotation like this, and go to last keyframe, change rotation again like this. So select keyframes, make easy or click F9 and select work area. Let's see. Okay, very nice. Very easy way for rigging character, and we have 2 ways for rigging hand character. This is way 2, and next video I will show how to rigging with puppet pins. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.